Welcome back to Kryptonite, the podcast where we uncover the technologies shaping the future of finance and blockchain. Today, we're diving into PYTH Network, a decentralized oracle system designed to bring real-time, institutional-grade financial data directly onto blockchains. If you've ever asked yourself, how does a DeFi app know the exact price of Bitcoin, Tesla stock, or even gold in real time? The answer often involves an oracle. And PYTH is quickly becoming one of the most important names in that world. So stick around because in the next 10 minutes, we'll break down what PYTH is, how it works, why it's different from competitors like Chainlink, and why some people think it could become the backbone of financial data in Web3. Let's start with the big issue, the oracle problem. Blockchains are powerful, but they're also like islands. They can't naturally connect to the outside world. A smart contract can't just open a web browser and check the latest Bitcoin price on Binance or the gold price on Bloomberg. And that's a problem, because so many DeFi applications depend on accurate, real-time information. Imagine you deposit $10,000 worth of ETH as collateral into a lending platform. The platform needs to know the real-time price of ETH so it can protect itself from loss. If the price of ETH suddenly crashes but the oracle is delayed or inaccurate, the platform might fail to liquidate your position. That small mistake could wipe out millions. This is the core issue. Without a reliable way to bring off-chain data into blockchains, smart contracts can't function properly. This is where PYTH Network comes in. Most oracle networks solve the problem by using third-party data aggregators, who gather prices from various sources before sending them to the blockchain. But PYTH takes a different approach. It goes straight to the source. PYTH's data comes directly from first-party publishers, major trading firms, exchanges, and market makers. We're talking about companies like Jump Trading, Binance, Jane Street, OKX, and Cboe Global Markets. These are some of the biggest names in finance, the ones actually executing trades worth billions every day. By cutting out middlemen, PYTH ensures that the data arriving on-chain is fast, accurate, and reliable. It's like having a direct feed from the stock exchange or trading desk, but made available to any blockchain application. It's like having a direct feed from the stock exchange or trading desk, but made available to any blockchain application. So how does PYTH actually work in practice? Step 1. Data providers, the exchanges and trading firms, send their live price data to the PYTH network. Step 2. PYTH aggregates these feeds, combining them to produce a single, reliable reference price. Step 3. This aggregated price is made available on-chain, where any developer can plug it directly into their application. And here's the interesting part. PYTH doesn't just give you a number. It also provides a confidence interval. Basically a statistical range that shows how trustworthy the data is. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $65,000, PYTH might show a confidence range of plus $10. That tells a DeFi platform how much certainty to place in the data. This is incredibly useful for risk management because it adds a layer of transparency you don't usually get with traditional oracles. Now let's compare PYTH to the big player in the room, Chainlink. Chainlink is the most widely used oracle in the world today. It relies on independent node operators to fetch and deliver data from many sources, which then gets aggregated and pushed on-chain. PYTH, by contrast, sources data directly from the origin points, the trading firms and exchanges. The difference might sound small, but in practice it means PYTH can provide lower latency data with fewer intermediaries. Think of Chainlink as a journalist who interviews multiple people to write a story about what happened. That's reliable, but it takes time. PYTH, on the other hand, is like a live video feed. You're watching events unfold in real time, straight from the trading floor. When PYTH first launched, it was built on Solana, a blockchain known for its speed and high throughput. But today, PYTH has expanded far beyond Solana. Thanks to its integration with the Wormhole network, PYTH price feeds can now be delivered to over 50 blockchains. That includes Ethereum, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Aptos and Sui, covering almost every major ecosystem in Web3. This cross-chain capability is crucial because DeFi isn't happening in just one place anymore. By being available everywhere, PYTH becomes a universal standard for financial data in crypto. So who actually uses PYTH? Lending platforms like Aave or Solend use it to ensure safe and timely liquidations. Derivatives protocols like Drift or DAI-DX rely on it for margin calculations and fair settlement prices. Decentralized exchanges need it to guarantee accurate trades. Even prediction markets and insurance products use it to verify outcomes based on real-world asset prices. Essentially, if your protocol depends on knowing the correct price of an asset in real time, PYTH is designed for you. Now let's talk about the PYTH token. PYTH is primarily a governance token. Holders can vote on network upgrades, fee structures, and how rewards are distributed to data providers. But beyond governance, the token also serves to align incentives. Data publishers who provide high-quality, reliable price feeds are rewarded in PYTH. This creates a feedback loop where better data equals better rewards. In the future, the token may also play a role in securing the network, but governance is its core function today. So why does all this matter? If DeFi really wants to compete with Wall Street, it needs institution-grade financial data. And PYTH is one of the only Oracle networks positioned to deliver that. Fast, accurate, and directly from the source. It's already expanding across multiple blockchains, powering lending platforms, derivatives, and exchanges. So the next time you see a loan get liquidated instantly or a trade executed at the perfect price, remember, PYTH might be quietly working in the background, keeping everything running smoothly.